All right, here we go. You all right? All right. Catching back up, y'all. Breckenridge, Thursday night bike ride. What do you have to say here down in Breckenridge today? That's right. This is how we do it here in the high country. Catch up to the tunes. What's up, umbrella boy?
Hey, hey!
Poindexter.
Oh!
Coming up to the roundabout. Lots, don't get that toga snagged. It's looking close. There's a sweet ride.
Lift!
If you're sweating your ass off back in the Midwest, come on, yo, come on down. Or up, I should say. Alright. Uh-oh, uh-oh! What? What?
Try not